Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete Cash App. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Cash App. Once you open Cash App, you simply need to click on the settings in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on help, and then you need to click on other problem, and here you need to scroll down, and here you can see that there is no option to close your account. So how you can close that? You simply need to click on contact on support at cashapp.io and inform that you want to close your account, and once you explain that you want to close your account, they will help you in that and your account will be closed. So this is a process by which you can close your account on Cash App, and then you need to simply delete your Cash App from your smartphone. So this is a process by which you can delete Cash App. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.